Hello student, welcome to KD Talk. This is Krupasindhu, your educator and guide. In this video, we will discuss about green plants, which is a topic of class 4th students. So let's begin. As we all know, everyone on the planet need energy to survive. What do you think from where this energy comes from? Obviously your answer would be sun. But do you know how the energy is converted from heat to usable energy that we can use? The green plants are the only media those can convert the solar energy to chemical energy, that is glucose, that we are taking as our food. So green plants are very important. Okay, so first of all, what we will read in this video, here we will learn parts of leaves, then the function of leaves, then how green leaves produce food, and then finally the interdependence of the plants and animals. Okay, humans and other animals depends on plant for food, directly or indirectly. And do you know, plant produce their own food through a process known as photosynthesis. That's why plants are known as producers. Plant has different parts like leaf, stem, root, etc. But in this video we will read different parts of a leaf. And why leaf is important? Because the process of photosynthesis took place or in the leaf, and why the leaf looks green? The leaf looks green because of a pigment known as chlorophyll. That is an important thing. These are the parts of a leaf, like blade, apex, midrib, side veins, petioles. Different plants have different type of leaves, but these things are common to all the types. Blade, it is a flat part of the leaf, and apex, this one, sorry marker ले लेता हूँ, eraser pen. These are the blade that lies on side, and this is the apex, the tip of the leaf. This one is the midrib, which helps the leaves to get water and nutrients, which will help in the photosynthesis. And these are the side veins. These also have the same function. And this one, this is petiole, and petiole is the connecting link between the leaf and the stem. Okay. One more thing I have forgotten to mention in this slide is the stomata. Stomata, okay, that will be in the next slide. Function of a leaf. What are the functions of leaf? Leaves have different functions, but these are the main functions we could take into consideration. First of all, to produce food through photosynthesis. And the exchange of gases through stomata, means this is the structure of stomata, two kidney shaped structure lied here, and through these pores plant really breathe. And the third function of the leaf is the food storage. It also stores the food. That's why when a herbivore eats leaf of a tree, that animal get energy. Am I right? And leaves also helps in the process of transpiration and evaporation of water. Transpiration means the evaporation of water vacuole, water vapors, yeah, and the evaporation of water vapors through the leaf surface is known as transpiration. Okay. And leaf is also used for reproduction and vegetative propagation. What does it mean? Reproduction means some plant use their leaves to propagate or to produce new plants like them. And vegetative propagation also means the same thing, to produce new plants. Is that clear? Okay. So comes to the next slide. How green leaves produce food. I have told it before. The plant produce food through the process of photosynthesis. If we break down the term photosynthesis, it will photo means light. Okay, and synthesis means putting together. Okay, okay. And what is the definition of photosynthesis? The definition would be the process by which plants produce its food using energy as a source of energy from sun, carbon dioxide from atmosphere, and water that are absorbed from soil. Okay, here. And what are the outputs? The outputs would be glucose, that is the food, and oxygen that we breathe in. All the animals breathe in. Okay, and so the light energy comes here and falls on the leaves. Water comes from the ground through like this, and carbon dioxide also enters the leaves through what? Stomata. And these three things makes the food. Is that clear? Okay. This would be our last slide. This is interdependence of plant and animal. Means both plants and animals are interdependent with each other. No one can live separately. Plant cannot live without animals, and animals cannot survive without plant. How? Animals, for food, this is a factor for interdependence of the both plant and animal. Means herbivorous animal eat grass, and the carnivorous animals like lion, tiger, they eat herbivorous animal like deer. And when the lion die, who will eat them? The scavengers like vulture. Okay. And when the vulture will die, they will decompose and form nutrients, and these nutrients will go and used by the green plants. It is like a cycle. Am I right? Okay. And another reason for the interdependence is for pollination. Pollination means plants has to transfer their pollens from male flower to female flower, and it cannot transfer it independently, so it depends on the other animals like other flies like bee, butterfly. These are the animals who helps in the pollination, and these animals are known as pollinator. Okay. And the bee or the butterfly, why they will come and sit on the flower? Because plant attracts them. Means plant produce different kind of flowers, different colors of flower, and they also have nectar, which is a food for this pollinator. Okay, so they will come and sit on the flower, and the pollen grains will stick to the legs and wings of the pollinator. When the pollinator will fly and will sit on another flower, the pollen grains will fall on that flower. In this process, the pollination is happening. Okay. And the last one is the seed dispersal, for which interdependence of plant and animal are seen. Seed dispersal means if a plant produce so many seeds, okay, and these seeds are thrown in a specific small region. If there will so many seeds in the small region, then there will be scarcity, means deficiency of water, nutrients, sunlight, and there will be competition, and most of the plant will die. Okay, that's why they need to send their seeds from large area. Okay. For this process, animals are helping them. Means when an animal eat the fruit, the seed will go into its body. When the animal removes the wastage of its body, that in that place the plant will go, the seed will germinate and plant will grow. And there are other types of process available there to do that work. Okay, so these are the all about green plants. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that new updates of the video will reach to you soon. And if you really think this video is informative, then share to your friends so that they can get the information. Thank you. See you on the next video.